Sound waves basics. 1. What is a sound wave? A sound wave is a mechanical, longitudinal wave caused by vibrations that travel through a medium solid, liquid, or gas. It requires a medium to travel. It cannot propagate in a vacuum.
Key characteristics of sound waves: property description, type longitudinal, compressions and rarefactions, medium solid. Liquid or gas: speed depends on the medium, fastest in solids, slowest in gases. Frequency F, number of vibrations per second, measured in Hz Hz. Wavelength lambda, distance between two compressions or rarefactions. Amplitude, height of the wave, related to loudness. Velocity V, speed of sound in the medium, given by V equals sine F times lambda. Speed of sound in different media, approximate medium speed ms, air at 20 degrees Celsius, 343 water, 1480 steel, 5000. How sound travels. 1. Vibration of an object sets particles in motion. 2. Particles compress and rarefy, spread apart, forming a wave. 3. The wave travels through the medium and reaches our ears, causing the eardrum to vibrate. Human hearing range: humans can hear between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, 20 kHz. Below 20 Hz, right arrow infrasound, for example. Earthquakes above 20 kHz, right arrow ultrasound, for example, used in medical imaging. Bonus: sound wave versus light wave property. Sound wave, light wave. Type: mechanical, longitudinal, electromagnetic. Transverse medium needed: yes, no. Speed approximately 343 ms, in air approximately 3 times 108 ms. Please